Welcome! Let's get your new Luxe presets and profiles installed. First, head to your Downloads page and click the XMP zip link. Download your 3 preset groups, Prep, Recipe, and Toolkit, by clicking each individual link. Once those are saved, click back and download your adaptive profiles. All of these files should download in zip format. Be sure you download both. You should have 3 preset downloads and 1 profile download. Now, open Lightroom and locate the Presets tab. If you're using Lightroom Classic, click the plus icon. If you're in Lightroom CC, click the 3 dots to open the menu. Select Import Presets, choose all 3 preset zip folders, and click Import. On Mac, Safari might unzip your files. In that case, select all the XMPs for each folder at Import. Next, import the profiles the exact same way. Once done, your raw adaptive options will appear in the Prep folder. Presets and profiles can be imported all at once. We showed a 2-step import to stress the importance of installing the presets. You can also view and apply your new profiles anytime from the Profile Explorer located right near the top of your settings panel. As noted, if you import your presets without your profiles, you won't see the raw adaptive options in your Prep folder, as those presets are designed solely to apply installed profiles. Likewise, if you import profiles without presets, you won't see anything at all under Presets. With everything installed, you're ready to edit. Need help? Support is just an email away.